Hello, it's Jim Games here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this actor that when you collide with it, it will open another level and move your player also to there. And here we have also put that, and when we go to there, it will change us back to the original level. And this will be modular, so you can, you don't have to create a new actor for every level. You can use the same actor with all the levels. So yeah, let's get started. So let's create some kind of goal that we can use to change level. So let's right click and create a blueprint class, type actor, and let's call this change level. Because why not? Let's open it. And here let's add some plane maybe. Okay? And here to the plane, let's add a box collision. And let's move it upwards a little bit like this. Okay? And now let's go to the event graph. We can delete everything else from here. Now, what we want to do is we want to get this box. We want to on component begin overlap. Here from the other actor, we want to cast to third person character, to our player character. Okay? Component save. And if the cast success, then what we want to do, we want to open level by name. Now I will show you how to make this modular, so you don't have to create like new actor for every level. Okay, so we can promote this level name to a variable like this. Now you can see it here, level name. Now here, instance editable, let's make it true, and also expose on spawn, let's make it true. Okay, what that does is now when we compile and save, it will be the variable will be available when we move this to the level. So let's move it. Oh, I have a little bit fast camera speed. But yeah, let's move it here to the level and let's move it upwards a little bit. Like this. Okay, now we have this change level actor here, and now you can see the level name under here. So now let's create the new level, and you don't obviously have to do this if you already have another level. So new level, I will create a basic, create, save selected, and save current level, and to the maps folder, and let's call this map 2. Save. Now let's go back, recents, and let's go back to the third person map. Now when we click on the actor, the goal actor again, here under the details, we can set this level name to that map 2, and it has to be written exactly like the level name. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to go back to the map 2. Here, let's also add this change level here. Now we want to change this variable on this level to name of the other level. So let's copy it from here. So it's third person map. So now let's click on this and let's paste it here. Okay. Now when we get our player start to here and we play, I will always play a new editor window because I think it's better. So now we are here, and when we move to that platform, you can see we are on the other level. And when we go to this, it will move us back here. So yeah, that's the simple way of doing a modular level changing actor. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.